In the tumultuous 16th century, a religious storm tore through Europe, sweeping away centuries-old traditions and shattering the unity of the Catholic Church. This was the era of the Reformation, a movement that challenged the Church's authority and questioned the very foundations of its faith. Amidst this chaos, a group of Catholic leaders saw the need for reform and restoration. They recognized that the Church had strayed from its original path, and they were determined to bring it back. This was the birth of the Counter-Reformation, a movement that would shape the course of history. In the heart of Italy, a man named Ignatius of Loyola took up the mantle. A former soldier, Ignatius had a profound conversion experience that led him to dedicate his life to the service of the Church. He founded the Society of Jesus, an order of priests and brothers who would become known as the Jesuits. The Jesuits were a force to be reckoned with. Armed with a deep devotion and a fierce intellect, they were sent across Europe to spread the teachings of the Church and combat the spread of Protestantism. They established schools, universities, and missions, and they became renowned for their preaching, their scholarship, and their zeal. But the Counter-Reformation was not just about fighting the Protestants. It was also about reforming the Church from within. The Council of Trent, convened in 1545, was a pivotal moment. It addressed the abuses within the Church, clarified Church doctrine, and laid the groundwork for future reform. The Counter-Reformation was a dramatic and transformative period in the history of the Catholic Church. It marked a renewed commitment to the faith, a reaffirmation of Church authority, and a determination to meet the challenges of the Reformation head-on. It was a time of crisis, but it was also a time of hope, as the Church sought to regain its lost ground and restore its standing in the eyes of the faithful. In the end, the Counter-Reformation was a success. The Catholic Church emerged stronger and more united, its faith rekindled and its mission clear. The legacy of the Counter-Reformation can still be felt today, in the vibrant Catholic communities that span the globe, and in the unwavering commitment of Catholics to their faith. The Counter-Reformation was more than just a response to the Reformation. It was a testament to the resilience of the Church, its ability to adapt, and its enduring commitment to its mission. It was a beacon of hope in a dark time, a shining example of the power of faith and the strength of the human spirit.